Proud to say that this episode brought to you by Super Clean product family of cleaning products. To give you an idea of its capability and the quality of the product, episode 2, we will be displaying the foaming action of Super Clean's Super Foaming Action Cleaner Degreaser on all of the metallic components, including but not limited to aluminum, steel, stainless steel, and brass. We will also be utilizing it on some of the plastic and polymer components. We also have some exciting news. Super Clean has authorized 5-star restoration to raffle off a prize package of one of each of its quality product. There are only 2 things you need to do to be entered into this Super Clean prize package giveaway. Number 1, you need to be subscribed to our channel. That's 5-Star Restorations. And number 2, you would need to comment on part 1 or part 2 of this restoration project. The winner will be selected from users that comment on part 1 or part 2 of this video. So, very easy. There's no cost to you whatsoever. Shipping will be provided by the Super Clean Home Office, and the product will be shipped directly to your address of choice. You must be a U.S. resident. Okay, so if you're a U.S. resident and you have an address within the United States of America, including Puerto Rico, Alaska, and Hawaii, you are eligible.
All right, here we go. Here's our latest find. Craigslist, Long Island, Manning Bowman Division. Model 71507, 4.5-inch bench grinder. Okay, M&B. Yeah, original color, well used. Okay, it's got 2 decent, more of a coarse and a medium to fine grinding wheel. You can see it's used quite a bit. Yeah, we didn't remove any of the dust off of this. Got a bulb, which is missing, but we'll check the electrical on that and make sure that works. Fairly clean on the bottom. Sides, back. This is the original, like I said, this is the original color. Don't know what that is. Some residue. The cord, the power cord itself is pretty beat up, which is fairly common, pretty normal for this year. Okay, it's got a lot of slices, insulation missing in several areas, some tape. This is probably the original. Let me see what we got here. It says here connect to grounded outlet on there, but that's it. So it appears to be original. We're going to change that out with a brand new unit. Alright, so yeah. Just want to give you a close-up on the label so you can see what we're dealing with here. Okay, pretty cool stuff. From first glance, we could see that we got some missing parts. We're looking at, right off the bat, I could tell you that we're missing the bulb. Okay, I could tell you that we're missing the rests. Okay, there should be rests here, like plates, and like either a bolt or like a knob, so you can adjust them for different angles, stuff like that. So that's missing. I can tell you right now, these screws here are supposed to be holding shields, like clear plastic shields to protect you from, the user from flying objects. Let's see the bottom. Okay, so the bottom is missing the feet. It should be screw-on feet here. Okay, like with almost like a rubberized bottom. All right. Yeah, so those are missing. So the basic research I did on this, according to what I found on the internet, I mean, this is the first Manning Bowman M&B, but according to the internet, these things or their tools are just like, they're bulletproof. They're like you buy it and they last a lifetime. So I can tell you what, I did plug this in. It does run. It runs pretty smooth. But what we're going to do is we're going to go over the entire thing. Going to break it down and clean it up. And I will probably not do a full restore on this, frankly. Most of the original paint is still there. I'm going to clean it up as good as possible, and then see if I can color match the paint, and then just do some touch up. All right, so we're going to commence with the teardown. What I like to do is have a magnetic bowl handy, all right, to put all the parts in. Don't lose anything, all the small screws and springs, washers and whatnot. You can see this does not stick to the case of this unit at all. That's because it's made out of aluminium, as they say across the pond. At this point, we're just going to run the vacuum over these areas just to pull off this residue that's here. There's a lot of residue. Okay. To remove the top of the case, we should have to remove these 4 bolts. All right, there it is, 71507 M&B bench grinder, 4.5 inch, broken down. I think we're going to try to save the factory paint and just do some touch-ups on it. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. We really enjoy restoring or bringing these vintage antique units back to life. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and have a great evening.